Guys, forget about GROK AI and use YouTube AI to start generating videos for yourself. If you cannot be able to afford GROK AI or any AI tool to generate image to video or text to video, you can use YouTube AI and start generating videos for yourself. Let me show you how you are going to do it right now in this video without wasting much of your time. I use the same AI tool I want to show you right now to generate this type of video you are seeing right here. And also this type of video, I generate videos with it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you are also going to do it and start using YouTube AI to start generating videos for yourself for free without subscribing to any AI tool, without paying for anything. It is free. At the time of making this video, it is still free. So without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. So the first thing we are going to do is to head over to our YouTube, because we are going to be using YouTube just the way I said at the beginning of this video. Now you head over to YouTube. Now you click on YouTube. Now if this is your YouTube, you click on YouTube, and when it's open like this, you click on this plus icon, and you are going to see a icon up here. You click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now when you look up here, you are going to see create video, make me move, video and photos to video, image, background, music, and other things. Now I want us to start by creating image first. So we click on image. So when you click on image, if you have your own prompt, you just need to copy a prompt and you come and paste it here. So I have my prompt on ChatGPT. Now this is my prompt. I'll copy the prompt. Let me copy the prompt. Copy the prompt and go back to the YouTube AI tool. I'll paste it here, and the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate. It's telling me to upload a reference image if I have reference image. So I don't want to upload any image. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on create. So when you click on create, you just have to leave it for some minutes and it's going to generate the image for you. And this is how you can generate image using YouTube AI. And I'm also going to show you how you are going to convert this image to video. Now, as you can see, different type of image is generated for us, as you can see. So we can decide to save anyone. Now, I will save this first one here, as you can see, this first one. Now, you can decide to use image, or you click on create videos. Now, when you click on create videos like this, it will start generating your video for you automatically. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you're also going to use prompt to do this. You can use your own prompt, but this is just automatic process, just like GROK, that you can start animating the video, just the image, just by creating image and you animate it. Now, as you can see, it's still generating it. So let's give it some minutes and it's going to generate it for us. And I'm going to show you another way you can also animate it by putting your own simple prompt, and also how you can upload your own image and use it. Now this is it. As you can see, it has animated for us. As you can see, it has animated without any prompt. It animated. So this is the audio. You can also put the audio. So if you want to continue, you just click on continue, or you want to download it, you click on this three dots up here, and you are going to see save to device. As you can see, save to device. When you click on save to device right now, this is going to save to your phone. But you click on continue, it's going to upload on YouTube. You can do this direct to upload any video to your YouTube direct without even editing or do all those things. You just create your videos, you upload. Now let's go back again. Let's go back. So maybe if you generate image and you want to save the image to your phone using this AI tool, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on this three dots up here, and you are going to see save to device. As you can see, this has been saved to our device. Now I want us to try what we call image to video. You can decide to click on create video, or you just click photo to video. When you click photo to video, it will bring you to an interface where you can make your image to be video. As you can see, photos to video. You click here. Now it's on my album. It's asking me to upload my image. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on create video. As you can see, create video here. We click on create video. So when you click on create video, it will ask you to upload your image. So if you have image you want to animate, all you just have to do is just to click on this plus icon. So after uploading the image, as you can see, I've uploaded the image. The next thing I'm going to do is to go and copy my prompt. I'll go and copy my prompt. It will also give you some prompts, for example, to use. But if you have your own prompt, let me go and my prompt from ChatGPT again. I have my own image to video prompt. After copying this prompt with dialogue, what I want the person to say, then I'll copy everything, then go back to the AI tool, then I'll paste the prompt here. After pasting the prompt, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate. So as you can see, it's generating the video for us. So in less than 1 minute, it will generate the video. So you can use YouTube AI to create your own videos, and it's free. It's free, yes. You do what we call image to video. You can also do what we call text to video, and it will come with sound. Yes, it will come with sound. So something like this. Wait, I know you enjoyed the video tutorial, but have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Like and also share this video. Now, let's go back to our video. As you can see, and in less than, it is not up to 1 minute, it's going to generate the video for you guys. So you guys have seen everything. Let's wait for the result, and I'm going to show you guys the result. Now, as you guys can see, this is the result. This is the result. As you can see, the person is talking, just making phone call, just the way I want the video to be. As you can see, if I turn on the audio now, you guys are going to see. So you can decide to continue, or you can increase it. If you click on try again, you can, or you can decide to continue and upload it, or you just click on this 3 dots up here and you click on save to device, and it is going to be saved to your device. So this is how you are going to do it. Now, let's create one more time, or let's just end the video here, because if I say I should be creating this video, will be so long and it will look so boring. But you guys have seen how you can create using YouTube Studio. You can do what you call create video, and you upload your image. You also do what you call photos to video, and you also create image, or you do background, or you also create music. You can use this AI tool from YouTube and create amazing things for yourself. As you can see, make a move, all these dancing things, you can also do it here. So if you want me to teach you one-on-one class how you can use this AI tool or other AI tool to create videos, you can let me know. All you just have to do is just go to my bio on this. If you are watching from Facebook, just go to my bio and you are going to see my number. Just go to my bio and you are going to see my number. Then you chat me on WhatsApp, and when you chat me on WhatsApp, I'm going to put you through step by step how you can start creating videos by yourself using AI. Yes, you can chat me up and I'll have one-on-one class with you and teach you how you are also going to do that. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming to this channel and you have not subscribed, or you have not followed my page, make sure you follow and subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.